Hi everybody, I'm Hulkan. Today I have Sony headphones and I'm going to tell you how can you easily pair them with your application, how to install this application. So at first we have to open our Play Store and here we have to go into search. Now we have to search for Sony Sound Connect, this application, and here we have to tap install to begin installation. Now we have to tap open. Here we have to tap I read above contents and agree. Here we have to tap our region, select it. Here we have to tap I grant proceed, agree and start using, OK, allow. And now we have to make sure that we are paired with our headphones, and as you can see, here we have our headphones. We have to tap OK and later. Here we have to tap continue without restoring, next, and here we have to tap later, next. Now our setup is completed. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye!